In today's world, machines are the backbone of progress. Stronger, faster, and smarter than ever before. From deep mines to wide farmlands, heavy-duty machines are revolutionizing how we work. In this video, we'll explore some of the most powerful and efficient machines operating in extreme environments. Let's dive into the future of industrial strength. Unloading a D10R bulldozer is no small task. With 450 horsepower and weighing over 110,000 pounds, it takes a strong excavator to handle the job. The Bama Cat T589 pipe layer is built for tough pipeline installations. Powered by a 280 horsepower engine and weighing over 132,000 pounds, it keeps projects running smoothly. The Copper or Short 2 is a high-efficiency crusher with a 350 horsepower engine. Weighing around 33,600 pounds, it crushes or quickly, saving time and costs in mining. The DBL 800 Vibro Ripper, with 400 horsepower and 26,450 pounds of weight, breaks hard rock with ease, speeding up work in quarries. In mining, the CAT 798 AC and Komatsu 980E trucks are essential. These giants produce 2,500 horsepower and weigh over 881,000 pounds, moving huge loads with only 3 shovels. Excavators in this field also run with 1,000 horsepower and weigh over 240,000 pounds, making mining faster and more efficient. Driving these machines takes serious skill, especially trucks with 600 horsepower and over 881,000 pounds of weight. It's not for beginners. The Plöger EPD 540 harvester made a big impact during the 2023 pea harvest in Wagenborgen. Designed for high-speed harvesting, it works efficiently across different fields with skilled operators at the wheel. In agriculture, the New Holland W170C helps process and store silage. Its strong engine and silage tools make sure feed is safely packed for animals. Shredders aren't just for paper, they're essential in industries too. Built to destroy sensitive documents quickly and safely. They keep improving with better security and recycling features. The Fendt 312 tractor and hay spreader protect carrot crops from cold weather. It spreads straw evenly, then covers it with plastic to keep crops safe. The Case 550 Quadtrac is a farming icon. With powerful engines and modern controls, it works on any terrain, pulling tools like plows and crushers efficiently. In Kansas City's 2023 harvest, farmers used machines like the Shelbourne Reynolds stripper head to cut wheat quickly. After harvesting, they planted soybeans to double the yield from the same land. The Prinoth Panther T16 crawler loader is key in willow harvesting. It moves easily through forests and carries heavy loads fast, perfect for making wood or fuel from willows. The Challenger MT765C tractor, along with the VDB slurry swivel and Zulma agrometer stump cutters, helps fertilize land better. With 215 horsepower and smooth handling, these machines improve soil health and crop growth while cutting down on waste.